Have you ever seen a building fight back? I'm not talking about some cheesy horror film here. I'm talking about real-life demolition disasters where tons of steel and concrete decide they're not going down without a fight. We've got collapsing floors, runaway wrecking balls, and enough dust and debris to bury a city. This isn't a cooking show, but it's about to get explosive. We're diving headfirst into 8 of the most dramatic demolition disasters ever caught on camera. So buckle up, you donkey, because this is one wild ride you won't want to miss. Picture this, a massive flower factory, 5 stories high, scheduled for demolition. The plan was simple, straightforward, controlled.
But someone, somewhere, forgot to tell the building. As the explosives detonated, the structure didn't crumble as expected. Instead, it lurched forward, like a wounded beast taking its last breath. But this beast was far from dead.
It rolled, slowly, deliberately, towards a nearby residential area. Can you imagine the terror, the sheer panic of watching a multi-story building barreling towards your home? The residents must have thought it was the apocalypse.
Luckily, the building came to a halt just meters from disaster, leaving everyone breathless and counting their lucky stars.
Glasgow's Red Road flats were more than just buildings. They were landmarks, symbols of a city's past. But like all things, their time had come to an end. Demolition day arrived, shrouded in an eerie silence. The explosives were prepped, the detonators armed.
What should have been a straightforward implosion turned into a spectacle of unexpected resilience. The first blast ripped through the building, but the structure remained defiant, standing tall against the odds.
Rumors spread like wildfire, ghosts of former residents, refusing to let go, the building cursed, destined to stand forever. In the end, it took multiple attempts, each blast chipping away at the giant until it finally succumbed. The SKK Peterburgsky Stadium in St. Petersburg was a monument to sport, a place of cheers and victories. But its demolition would become a stark reminder of the fragility of life. Under a clear blue sky, demolition crews prepared for what should have been a routine operation.
But fate, it seems, had other plans. As the explosives detonated, a section of the stadium collapsed prematurely, sending shockwaves through the city.
The dust settled to reveal a scene of utter devastation. Twisted metal and concrete trapped workers beneath the rubble. Rescue efforts began immediately, a desperate race against time.
But for some, it was already too late.
The stadium's collapse became a national tragedy, a stark reminder of the human cost of demolition gone wrong. We've all seen those perfectly executed demolition videos. The building imploding on itself, a cloud of dust, and then nothing. But Building X, well, it had other plans. This seemingly ordinary structure harbored a secret, one that would turn a routine demolition into an engineering nightmare.
The demolition crew, seasoned professionals, approached the job with confidence. But as the explosives detonated, they realized something was terribly wrong. The building didn't fall as expected. It twisted, contorted, as if fighting against its inevitable demise.
Days turned into weeks as the crew battled the stubborn structure. The culprit, an unknown factor in the building's construction, a hidden reinforcement that turned demolition into a perilous game of cat and mouse. In the world of demolition, precision is everything. Every cut, every charge meticulously planned. But what happens when technology, the very tool we rely on, fails us? Building Y stood tall, a testament to human ingenuity, but its demise would become a cautionary tale, a stark reminder of the limits of technology. The demolition plan was ambitious, relying heavily on cutting-edge technology, but as the operation commenced, a critical system malfunctioned. The consequences were immediate and catastrophic. Instead of a controlled implosion, sections of the building began to collapse in unpredictable ways. Debris rained down on the surrounding area, causing widespread damage and throwing the entire operation into chaos. Building-wise demolition became a testament to the importance of human oversight, a stark reminder that even the most advanced technology can fail. Demolition is a dangerous business, even when everything goes according to plan. But sometimes it's the unexpected that gets your heart racing. Building Z was a typical office block, nothing out of the ordinary. The demolition crew, a well-oiled machine, prepared for a routine implosion, but as the countdown reached 0, something went wrong, terribly wrong. The building, instead of collapsing inward, began to topple sideways. heading straight for a nearby power station. Time seemed to stand still as the massive structure tilted precariously. Workers scrambled for safety, their eyes fixed on the impending disaster. Then, with a deafening crash, the building slammed to the ground, missing the power station by a hair's breadth. The silence that followed was deafening, broken only by the sound of racing hearts and sighs of relief. In the world of demolition, planning is everything. A well-designed plan is the difference between a controlled implosion and utter chaos. But for Structure A, the plan was flawed from the start.
The demolition company, eager to cut costs, took shortcuts, ignoring crucial structural assessments. They paid the price for their recklessness. As the explosives detonated, Structure A didn't crumble as expected. Instead, it fractured, sending massive chunks of concrete and steel hurtling towards nearby buildings. The air filled with the deafening roar of collapsing concrete and the screams of terrified onlookers. When the dust settled, the devastation was clear. Buildings lay in ruins, a testament to the devastating consequences of poor planning.
Demolition is often seen as a necessary evil, a means to an end. But what happens when the process itself creates more problems than it solves? Structure B, an abandoned factory, stood as a symbol of urban decay. Its demolition was supposed to make way for a brighter future. But the demolition process unleashed a torrent of unforeseen consequences. As the wrecking balls swung and the excavators dug deep, a plume of toxic dust rose from the rubble. The air, once filled with the promise of progress, now choked with harmful pollutants. Residents, promised a cleaner, healthier environment, found themselves battling respiratory problems and other health issues. Structure B's demolition became a stark reminder that progress often comes at a cost, a lesson learned the hard way. So there you have it, 8 demolition disasters that prove even buildings have a way of getting even. These weren't pretty soufflés falling flat, these were colossal concrete cakes collapsing with the power to level a city block. We've seen the chaos, the destruction, and the tragic consequences of getting it wrong. Remember, in demolition, as in life, preparation and respect for the task at hand are non-negotiable. Otherwise, you might find yourself on the wrong side of a building with a serious attitude problem. And trust me, you don't